Let's make a quick and short video about VirtualBox. When you don't have a small screen, like maybe this is 800 or 600, maybe 1024, you want to have a bigger screen. Normally Control F works, right? Right Control F full screen. But you need to have a certain package, -s VirtualBox, and then choose wisely. For me, at this point in time, I say guest-utils is working. Nox is the last nightly build, right? So you need to have this. I had it already installed, but it was not activated. So sudo systemctl enable and start, but you can do both in one if you type now and then vbox. That's it. There you go. Remember the service, remember the package.